News has you covered when severe weather hits. You can scan your smartphone over the QR code on your left. It opens up our new webpage, WPRI.com/storm. There you can find everything related to weather events from recent flooding to preps for Hurricane Lee. And you can check out the radar and hurricane tracker, view our flight tracker, and get weather alerts when conditions change.
Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Again, on our webpage at WPRI.com, there is a special link that is strictly for Lee. As soon as the information comes in from the Hurricane Center, we update it as well, and that is updated at least every 3 to 6 hours. So you can check that out over the next couple of days. Take a look first at Doppler radar, and this looks much better, even though we do have a thunderstorm near Plymouth, which is actually moving offshore. The widespread rain has moved out. Certainly the severe weather has as well, and the flood watch has been dropped early as well. So a bit of good news. In fact, we got a decent day coming up for tomorrow. Looking at partly cloudy conditions in Providence right now, much better visibility. It's not stormy. Upper 60s, still sticky, still humid. But boy, when you step out tomorrow morning and afternoon, very dry, comfortable and refreshing. Temps now are in the mid to upper 60s, 69 in Providence, and New Bedford still holding on to 70. So threat tracker looking good for tomorrow evening. Friday day looks fine. Even early Friday evening, those high school football games, more than likely, the wind will be picking up a little bit. But it's really later Friday night and into Saturday morning early as Lee passes offshore, some grazing effects of rain and wind. That's later at night. So the center of Lee is not anticipated to make landfall. It's going to stay offshore. But because the storm is so wide, even with it passing offshore, it still throws back some rain and some wind, especially southeastern Mass, especially Cape Cod, and that'll continue into early Saturday morning. Wouldn't surprise me if it's clearing by late Saturday afternoon, early Saturday evening. So this front represents the leading edge of drier air. So when that comes through, look at all this real estate where it's clear and dry. That belongs to us for tomorrow. This is Lee. The winds are at 105. The size of the storm, in terms of the diameter, has been increasing. So you can have a storm pass a couple of 100 miles east of Cape Cod, but because it's so wide, it does have some, impact as far as rain and wind, and especially in southeastern Mass. I'll show you that in more detail. There's the center of the storm, southern New England up in here. The wind, there hasn't been really much change. This is a brand new numbers and information from the National Hurricane Center. Winds of 105, moving north at 9. The forecast track thinking hasn't changed either. Moving due north. Here it is. Friday night is a Category 1 storm. Late Friday night, pre-dawn Saturday offshore. 9 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. It's about, that may be almost 250 miles offshore, and then racing into the Canadian Maritimes. So this graphic is not an impact graphic. What all this graphic is showing you is where the center of the storm, the red line, will be, and it's estimated to pass well east of Cape Cod. But again, because the width of the storm is so wide, it does throw back some weather, especially for eastern Massachusetts. So as far as the wind probability, I'd say getting at least tropical storm force winds, meaning winds up to 40 miles per hour or higher. These colors represent probabilities and percentages, and notice the percentage is higher out towards the Cape and lower the further west you go. As far as potential impacts in terms of rain and wind, no surprise here. Higher, extreme east coastal Massachusetts, Cape Cod Bay, Nantucket, and the Vineyard. Further to the west in yellow, that includes New Bedford and parts of Providence County. We would put that in the medium category. Then further west, we would put this in the low category. So quite simply, the worst of the rain and wind is across the Cape and the islands. As far as potential wind gusts on Friday night, Saturday morning, 35 to 45 for most of our area, 50 to 65 east coastal Mass, and then higher out towards Cape Cod, over 65. We're going to watch Cape Cod Bay very closely. See the wind? That's an onshore wind for Cape Cod. There may be a 2 to 4 foot storm surge in here. So we'll watch that situation closely. Tropical storm watch for the areas in yellow. That means potential for tropical storm force winds. And again, that goes into effect later Friday night into Saturday. One thing's for sure, big waves, especially, picking up a little bit, but especially Friday and on into Saturday. 7-day forecast. It is a beautiful day tomorrow. Friday day looking okay. And again, late Friday night, Saturday morning, or the first half of Saturday, some rain and wind, the magnitude of which will be dictated by how close or far offshore the storm passes. But Mike and Shannon, as far as a direct hit making landfall, we don't see that. But sometimes it doesn't have to make landfall to have some impacts, and it will have some late Friday night.
I can't remember the last time we had a week like this, and it's only been 3 days.
Today's Wednesday.
And you think really the entire summer, multiple tornado episodes, multiple flood episodes. Boy, what an incredible, unfortunate summer.
All right, Tony, thanks. Coming up.